each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Let us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. So today, it's freaking gorgeous here in North Carolina. What is it, like 70, a little bit over 70 degrees, sunny, good old Sunday afternoon after church. So, Trevor, for the first time in forever, T-Butter, excuse me if you're native to the channel, T-Butter Baby Bear has washed the T-Butter Baby Bear. He has washed the freaking Focus and it's shining.
It's been the best this looks since the beginning of winter.
Yeah, it's looking good, man, to be honest.
Yeah.
You gotta do the wheel still.
Yeah.
But I need to wash the Corvette. I took it to get it washed the other day, like 2 or 3 days ago, and they did fine, but I really want to get like a better wash on it. And then also you can see these exhaust tips are pretty rough. I'm gonna go get something from Walmart and try and get those cleaned up a little bit. They won't be perfect, but it'll definitely be a lot better. Definitely be a lot better than it is right now. But this GoPro's about to die. I got a few of my buddies on motorcycles coming over, and then I think we're gonna meet up with some car people around 3 or 4. Josh is coming over, so it'll be a good little get together at the house. But you guys stay tuned. I might get a time lapse of us washing the car, and then we'll pick you up from there. All right, y'all. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Not the last video, but I think the video before, when I was working on the hood struts on this, we were at 500 subs. As of right now, yesterday I looked, I think we're at 634, 635 in that range. But again, if you're in the car, if you know somebody that's in the car, share it, show it to them. We're trying to grow the channel. The faster we can get to 1,000, the better. I am going to do a giveaway. What I'm going to give away, honestly, I'm not sure yet, but it'll be worth your time to subscribe.
Maybe the Focus.
Maybe give away the Focus. Don't unsubscribe. Like,
man, the Focus is a consistent 1130 to the 8 miles.
Yeah, it's consistent. But again, you guys subscribe if you're new to the channel. I appreciate it way more than you know. Alright, so we finally finished washing my car. I think they're getting ready to start on Savannah's. See here, she's looking pretty clean. I never really washed my car, so that's good. Alright, also we have the freaking crew that just rolled in. We still got another one on the way, but let's get an interview with Daddy Dave. He is officially Daddy Dave now.
Daddy Dave!
How does it feel to be a dad?
I don't know, it's just something you can't explain.
Just something you can't explain. Tell the viewers, come on.
Come on.
Well, come on.
Come on.
Tell
Let's
them.
go. I'm ready to go cruise.
So I don't know how good the GoPro is picking up on this, but you can see how much better it already looks. It needed it bad.
Oh, get in there nice and deep.
My Mustang buddy here, Jason's doing it for me.
Oh, thank you.
He's a gem. Come on. So just so you can see the difference again, I'm gonna go and look at the other side, which is untouched. You'll see how bad this side is versus come over here. Look how clean that is. And I haven't done this in probably what, a year and a half? Probably. It's been, I know, at least a year. So you can see the finished product here is looking pretty good. So about 2 years from now, I'm gonna clean them again. Did. Just cast up the sheets. We're gonna go cruise. Maybe try to get some rollers. We got the crew showing what we got there. Waving at the camera, but alright, you guys stick with it. So I'm gonna try and video on this or have Josh video. I'm sure we'll get to do some wild stuff. We'll see what will end up happening. Alright, so we're a little broke down. My car, the brake light kept hanging, so I cut it off while we were rolling. When I cut it back on, it went into limp mode. I undid my battery and put it back. I'm good now, I'm straight. Another person in the clan here has unfortunately went down, and it's not looking as simple. The Focus ST looks like it's stuck in first gear. It might not be in the mood to be on video right now, but I'm gonna get it anyway. What's happened here?
Shifting. It's like shit.
Think we're gonna be able to get it resolved on site? Like I said, they're not too enthusiastic about it. I will pick it back up when we figure out what happened. So verdict, feel bad for Nick, but his car is definitely broke down. We're calling tow truck. We got the crew here. Everybody say what up.
What up?
Say what up again.
What up?
Let the church say amen. Let the church say amen.
Amen.
Let the church say amen again.
Amen. Again. Again.
Come on.
Holy crap. Now let it. 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 Holy crap. Now let it.
All right. Got to move Cole's truck for the tow truck. So this is a, I believe it says the 04 Silverado. It's got a cam in it, 3800 stall. It is a 6.0 liter. Come on. Christian Pennington, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Best tow driver in the Piedmont. State, probably the state. Come on. All right, y'all. We got the ST up on the trailer. It's unfortunate, but it happens. I'd like to give Cole a big thanks for letting me do a rad burnout in his new truck. Alright guys, fast forward to the next day. Today's Monday, yesterday was Sunday when we went cruising. Nick's car broke down, unfortunately, so that was definitely not cool. And then also mine broke down too, but fortunately it was just like a computer glitch, I guess. I cut my car off because the ABS and traction control active handling stuff came on. I cut it off while we were rolling, and I started it back when we were rolling, and for whatever reason it put the car in some sort of limp mode. So we pulled over in the middle of the highway, and we undid the battery and then waited a second, put it back on. It was fine after that. So that was no big deal, thank goodness. Other than that, Nick's car, I think his shifter linkage or something to that effect broke, but he's gonna get that fixed. It's not anything huge or detrimental. But again, thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. If you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button. It helps us more than you know, and before you know it, we'll be at 1,000 subs. Thank you guys for your support, and have an awesome day.